What's up, everybody? Getting ready to start this thing up. It's all back together. Triple check all my plugs, all that stuff. Change the oil after pressure washing the engine. I'll probably do a shorts. I just took some video. There was water in the bottom of the pan. So however it got in, and it wasn't much. If I had to guess, not even 4 ounces tops. That's the absolute max. More like 2 ounces. So that's where, if you're gonna pressure wash your engine, do it before you change your oil. Because if you got bad seals, anything leaking, it can get in. Especially using high pressure, it'll find its way in. And there wasn't much, but enough to where I'm not comfortable with proper lubrication. So, what I did was I cycled the fuel pump, and now I'm smelling for gas and checking for leaks, get some pressure on the whole system. And you're going to see this in real time with me. What you can do, this is the fuel inlet here. Before, if you want to test, spray with soapy water. You can spray your injector area with soapy water and get you one of those rubber tip air nozzles, blower chucks, and put some pressure on it. Turn the regulator down to, 35. You'll be good with that. I think this thing runs at least 35. So if you want to turn it a little lower, you don't need much, 15, 20, whatever. But don't go past 30, 35. Don't do that. And then you spray some soapy water, check for bubbles. I'm good, man. I don't smell any fuel. I don't see any. I don't smell any. I cycled the pump 5 times. And getting ready to rock and roll. So you're going to see this in real time. I'm going to do the clear flood method. Clear flood mode. Good to go. And let's see what happens. IAC valve is changed. Intake manifold gaskets are changed. Let's see what happens. Clear flood mode. Pedal to the floor. All right. Here we go. Okay. There we go, baby. Yeah, Harry. Good to go. Running on all 4. Nice warm-up idle. Check it out. Sounds good. Do we have an oil leak here? Okay, are we residual? You see the smoke? We got smoke. Okay, possible oil leak. We're gonna see. I don't see how and why. It might just be residual. The only thing I had off was the crank breather box down there, but when I washed the engine, just residual. I'm gonna put you guys on pause and keep an eye on this smoke. It's definitely oil. So it just could be residual, just residual oil. When I was washing it, it got onto the intake. It seems to be lessening now. Exhaust. When I was washing it, got onto the header. We're getting less smoke already. Oh, I spilled a tiny bit of oil too after I changed the oil. No leaks under there. Something happened to the video. But anyway, I'll try to mold these too. No leaks under there. We had some smoke. We had some coming off of the header. I think that was just residual. I think that was just residual from where I washed it. So, yeah, we're good to go. Runs killer. The real test is when I turn the AC on. That's going to be when I go test drive it. So, we're running good. No engine light. Sun glare. Sorry for the glare. As of right now, no engine light. I'll probably get it again because I got a super tiny leak out of the gas tank. So I'm gonna let this bad boy warm up. I guess I'll be back with a follow-up. Again, if you're gonna pressure wash your engine, change your oil. High Rev 90, please like, share, subscribe. Got more stuff coming and more stuff in the past. Check out all my other videos. Peace. Aloha.